and welcome to the June cosplay progress vlog. Even though it's June, it's pretty much October in my sewing room at the moment. When I finished in May, I brought out this Halloween Princess Peach costume, and since that video, I haven't really made any progress on it, but I have made progress on something else. At the end of last month's vlog, I showed this Simplicity Unofficial Sanderson Sister pattern, and I have started working with it using View C for Sarah with some modifications. And here is the progress so far. I've started on her skirt, I finished her bloomers, and have also done the painting for her pouch that hangs from her waistband. Sarah is really coming along since the last time I showed. The cape is almost done. All I need to do is to sew on the clasps to it, and the bottom half of the costume is done. The skirt is done. I finished the pouch that goes on it and the bloomers that were done earlier. So it's really coming along. All that's left now is to make the bodice and her necklace. The pattern that came with the skirt for Sarah's top ended up not working at all, so I think I'm going to set this costume aside for a little bit and try and come up with a different pattern to use for this. When I was getting the supplies for Sarah, I purchased an entire bolt of the eggplant colored satin because I had plans to use it for more costumes, such as this one, which is Rosalina's Halloween outfit from Mario Kart Tour. It's currently on the dress form as a test to figure out the lacing in the back, but the base dress is sewn up, and I've got one sleeve that is just pinned on. The other project I'm working on is this Beetlejuice-inspired dress. I did not come up with the design. I'm using the Simplicity 9165 for it, but I am really pleased with how it's coming along. Most everything's just pinned onto the dress form now, and I'm using this striped cotton and then this really fun purple moth print for the contrast on the peplum and the sleeves. Since the Beetlejuice dress is pretty glam, I decided it needed some accessories to go along with it. So since Joann's was having a sale on a bunch of jewelry and like this little headpiece thing was on clearance, I just went ahead and got some things to jazz it up a little bit. I'm feeling very rusty, but it's going to be my first time doing a photo shoot in a year and a half with Sophie, and I also realized that my hat doesn't really fit over the wig, but oh well. The photo shoot was just taking pictures in a public park with my husband, but I feel like we got a couple good shots, so I will put them in the video if I have some edited. I also wanted to mention that if you are like me and haven't worn makeup in a year, I do recommend doing a makeup test before you do the photo shoot, because I found out that my foundation changed color and my mascara was completely dried out, and I am very glad that I checked before the day of the shoot. Here is some progress on the Beetlejuice dress. I finished the bodice. I also made a quick necklace just by stringing some beads onto an elastic cord, and I took that hair clip, painted along the edges of the rose, and added some rhinestones to bedazzle it a bit. It is now August, so I figured I would end the vlog with a look at the finished Beetlejuice dress. If you'd like to see a making of video for this outfit, please subscribe, and thank you so very much for watching.